Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the Xerox model and installing the correct driver so features match the machine. Once done, open the PDF and choose Print, selecting the Xerox device. Make sure to pick the right paper size and tray, set the number of copies, and confirm orientation. You send the job now to queue because early choices determine output. If you need multiple pages per sheet, change that in layout before you hit Print to avoid reprints. You continue by refining print settings to match your PDF's needs. Choose color versus black and white and decide on duplex printing to save paper. Next, set scaling or fit to page so margins and crop boxes behave correctly, because wrong scaling can cut content. Adjust resolution and paper type to match media and image quality. Preview the job on screen to confirm collation, booklet, or NUP layout, and enter any required user authentication or secure print ID before sending to the machine. You finish by releasing the job at the Xerox control panel or via secure print using your PIN. This prevents accidental prints. Collect your pages and inspect for alignment, color fidelity, and cropping so you catch issues early. If the output looks wrong, clear the job, restart the print spooler on your computer, and resend after verifying driver and PDF compatibility. A common fix is exporting the PDF to a fresh file or printing as image. Try that if fonts or transparency cause problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.